So real estate brokers are ideally situated to speak to our target market. The men and women in the brokerage community are always talking to real estate owners and developers and tenants and people looking to buy buildings. How do you differentiate a building in a sea of buildings that are for sale? That's where solar, that's where battery storage, that's where EV charging can all help differentiate that product in the market, especially to groups that are looking to buy that maybe have an environmental social governance mandate for funds that they're placing. For example, pension funds. They may need to be buying buildings that are like LEED certified, or if not LEED certified, maybe have these technologies on site. And that could be a huge differentiator compared to, say, other buildings. Brokers can speak with landlords, can speak with building owners about adding those technologies, or at least talking with us about like what are the costs that could be incurred so that those can be part of the discussion during the negotiation.